Hey YouTube buddies, the Yamaha Suma didn't want to start, took it apart. You see this part right here? You take it out, this screw right here, it goes right here. You take this part out, spray some engine starter right there, and crank it open. And start it. Crank it. It's gonna start. So look, my buddies, my YouTube buddies, little vapor, that's all it takes. Alright. Peace and chicken grease.